by the city, open palette. Can we still insist on maintaining our preference? Beston's mission, which inspires us to take responsibility for environmental protection, drives us to be resilient and upward. Standing on this line, listening to the voice of nature, we're ready for it. We focus on research and development with a number of patented technologies and innovative designs. We have a perfect quality control systems for products. We provide the best solutions to our customers to meet their diversified needs. With dreams in mind and love in mind, we're moving forward fiercely in this line, only to become a better Beston and lead more customers to success. Gathering each other's wisdom and strength, let the world see our attitude. Focus on the field of resource recycling, continue to provide customers with optimal solutions to improve the global ecological environment. We have been in action. The line, is it what you aspire to? When faced with environmental problems brought about the development of society, oil-filled waste, solid waste, industrial waste, and garbage surrounded by the city, open palette. Can we still insist on maintaining our preference? Beston's mission, which inspires us to take responsibility for environmental protection, drives us to be resilient and upward. Standing on this line, listening to the voice of nature, we're ready for it. We focus on research and development with a number of patented technologies and innovative designs. We have a perfect quality control systems for products. We provide the best solutions to our customers to meet their diversified needs. With dreams in mind and love in mind, we're moving forward fiercely in this line, only to become a better Beston and lead more customers to success. Gathering each other's wisdom and strength, let the world see our attitude. Focus on the field of resource recycling, continue to provide customers with optimal solutions to improve the global ecological environment. We have been in action. The line, is it what you aspire to? When faced with environmental problems brought about the development of society, oil-filled waste, solid waste, industrial waste, and garbage surrounded by the city, open palette. Can we still insist on maintaining our preference? Beston's mission, which inspires us to take responsibility for environmental protection, drives us to be resilient and upward. Standing on this line, listening to the voice of nature, we're ready for it. We focus on research and development with a number of patented technologies and innovative designs. We have a perfect quality control systems for products. We provide the best solutions to our customers to meet their diversified needs. With dreams in mind and love in mind, we're moving forward fiercely in this line, only to become a better Beston and lead more customers to success. Gathering each other's wisdom and strength, let the world see our attitude. Focus on the field of resource recycling, continue to provide customers with optimal solutions to improve the global ecological environment. We have been in action. The line, is it what you aspire to? When faced with environmental problems brought about the development of society, oil-filled waste, solid waste, industrial waste, and garbage surrounded by the city, open pallets. Can we still insist on maintaining our preference? Beston's mission, which inspires us to take responsibility for environmental protection, drives us to be resilient and upward. Standing on this line, listening to the voice of nature, we're ready for it. We focus on research and development with a number of patented technologies and innovative designs. We have a perfect quality control systems for products. We provide the best solutions to our customers to meet their diversified needs. With dreams in mind and love in mind, we're moving forward fiercely in this line, only to become a better Beston and lead more customers to success. Gathering each other's wisdom and strength, let the world see our attitude. Focus on the field of resource recycling, continue to provide customers with optimal solutions to improve the global ecological environment. We have been in action. The line, is it what you aspire to? When faced with environmental problems brought about the development of society, oil-filled waste, solid waste, industrial waste, and garbage surrounded by the city, open pallets. Can we still insist on maintaining our preference? Beston's mission, which inspires us to take responsibility for environmental protection, drives us to be resilient and upward. Standing on this line, listening to the voice of nature, we're ready for it. We focus on research and development with a number of patented technologies and innovative designs. We have a perfect quality control systems for products. We provide the best solutions to our customers to meet their diversified needs. With dreams in mind and love in mind, we're moving forward fiercely in this line, only to become a better Beston and lead more customers to success. Gathering each other's wisdom and strength, let the world see our attitude. Focus on the field of resource recycling, continue to provide customers with optimal solutions to improve the global ecological environment. We have been in action. The line, is it what you aspire to? When faced with environmental problems brought about the development of society, oil-filled waste, solid waste, industrial waste, and garbage surrounded by the city, open pallets. Can we still insist on maintaining our preference? Beston's mission, which inspires us to take responsibility for environmental protection, drives us to be resilient and upward. Standing on this line, listening to the voice of nature, we're ready for it. We focus on research and development with a number of patented technologies and innovative designs. We have a perfect quality control systems for products. We provide the best solutions to our customers to meet their diversified needs. With dreams in mind and love in mind, we're moving forward fiercely in this line, only to become a better Beston and lead more customers to success. Gathering each other's wisdom and strength, let the world see our attitude. Focus on the field of resource recycling, continue to provide customers with optimal solutions to improve the global ecological environment. We have been in action.
Hello, everyone. Thank you all. Today, we're feeling very pleased to present to you our latest design in the pump molding industry. As you can see from the title, our main focus is a food and beverage packaging equipment. The model is BCB 950S. Before we talk about the details, we'd like to have a video about that. Here we go. Welcome back. When we talk about the industry, when we talk about a product, firstly, we want to talk about the market. So, what is the demand for this kind of product? Where is the client? What kind of challenge they are facing? Today, we are having more than 300 million tons of waste plastics every year, and 9% of it was recycled. 12% was just burnt. The rest of it, they will go to landfilling or just go to the ocean. So globally now, more than 60 countries have announced non-degradable plastic ban policies in different kind of forms. Like Dubai, in 2024 January, they just will stop treating disposable plastic bags. And in June, they will stop using disposable bags or package. And by 2025, very soon, more plastic products will be banned. Let's go to Europe. In 2023, European countries have already proposed new regulations to reduce packaging waste, especially regarding to the single-use plastics, as one of the ways to achieve carbon neutrality in 2050. So people are searching a better way to save and replace plastic products. Pulp molding industry definitely is the chance. In 2022, the global market is valued more than $5 billion US. Here is the trend of the demand for pulp mold products per year. In 2023, we need 500 million tons of this product for package. Here is the percentage trend for the pulp molded products among the total packaging qualities. As you can see, we are having 30% pulp molded packaging by 2030. It is rising pretty fast, right? Okay. Now we are going to talk about the industry solutions. The market is very good, right? So how we can get more products to feed the demand? What is the solution? As you can see, normally the investors for this industry, they are buying pulp boards and make them into pulp again as raw material for molding. But in this way, there is some shortages. The first one is the price for this kind of board is not stable, and also it is not really a sustainable way to recycle the waste biomass, because some of them, they are just from the wood. So from Beston, we are offering the one-stop biomass recycling solutions. For example, the bagasse and the straw, they are perfect materials for the table wire and other paper products. So of course, we have to equip with the sewage treatment systems. In this way, we are having the water according to the national sewage discharge standard. Okay. Now we are having our presentation for the machinery. As you can see, that is a design for this whole line. And basically, there's three advantages for this plant. The first one is, of course, we can make it a continuous operation. And then we are having directly pricing technology to keep the process very good. And lastly, of course, the whole process is environmental protection. And we can just make the production effective much more. So what kind of final products we are having? You can see from the pictures, the plant can fulfill the product in different industries like disposable tableware, electronic product, packaging, and general industry packaging. Okay, so we are talking about the model BCB 950 ICE. From the advantages, we can use different biomass feedstocks, including but not limited to bagasse pulp, straw, bamboo, and wood pulp. Taking 45% carbon content bagasse as an example, the carbon emission after burning 1 ton of bagasse is more than 120 kilograms. So 300 tons of products per year can reduce carbon emission by more than 36 tons. So about the one-stop solution, we got a very good, I can say perfect supply chain system to have the high-quality suppliers and realize the purpose of customer profitability. They can saving customers' project staff capital by 10% to 12%. Okay, so now we are talking about the energy saving. We are designing the mold size with perfect data. That is meaning we are having lower power and water consumption. Compare with the traditional design, it can save power and water about 50%. Okay. Now, as you can see from the picture, we even have automatic parts to make the whole production much more faster. According to calculation, we can just make it faster by 30%. Of course, we have automatic parts. That is meaning we can save labors by 30%. Okay. Here is the controlling system. We call it intelligent control system. In this way, we can make the whole system reduction of maintenance time by 50% or more. Another great design is about the visual. The plant get color changing LED lights, which will get the aimed part inspected very fast. In this way, we will reduce the prepare time. The prepare time means the fault troubleshooting time. Okay, here is some examples. The first one, as you can see, the white color means the machinery, the whole production line is standby. You can start operation anytime you want. The red one, that's meaning shut down. You should send people to check and to do maintenance. If we are having the color in blue, that is meaning the system is running normally. Yeah, you can keep it anytime you want. So lastly, if you got the right light flashing, That is meaning some process is running not correctly. That is the alarm status. So now we are talking about the installation and commissioning. Before we make the shipment, we have already do some pre-assembly of the equipment, reducing our clients' installation time and cost by more than 60%. Okay, so now we are talking about our product qualification rate. According to our testing and analysis, the data is going to be 90%, 5 or more. Because we are using the industry advanced negative and direct pressure process, more scientific airflow design. The water discharge volume is 0.4 cubic meters one time. Okay, about the final products. As you can see, we can call the final products 100% degradable because we got our raw materials from the nature and it's going to back to nature in a very natural way. Secondly, we can say the product is zero pollution during the use. And according to the test of our samples, the specification is meeting the FDA standards. Okay, then we will talk about the technical program. We call it gas electric combination program. That is enable the plant working in a very environmental friendly way. And the design will enable the hydro oil leakage. We'll get the workshop mess up as we know. So we can't just forbidden the hydro oil leakage. The gas electric combined program, even you run it for a long time, we will keep it just avoid the cylinder leakage. So that's meaning your staff, you even can have a coffee while he is running the machinery. Okay. So we got plenty of information about this machinery, and we also talked about the specifications a lot. So what is the reality machinery? What is a running machinery? What is the condition for the operation? My colleague, Abba, will get you there and have a look. Here we go.
Hello friends, this is our running plant of biodegradable disposable tableware production line. Nextly, I will show you the production equipment and the production flow. First of all, I will introduce you the raw material of our machine. Our machine can use biomass or pulpwood as raw material. This is raw material, pulp bag. Firstly, is pulping system. We need to put the pulp board into the pulper. Before pulping, the board needs to be soaked for about 10 minutes to soak them sufficiently. Later, the pulper, the thinner, and the mixer will work together to adjust the consistency of the pulp to find the best condition. Secondly, molding system. The prepared pulp will be transported into the buffer tank. From the buffer tank, through air absorption, the pulp will shape according to the style of the molds. And the key of this step is to confirm that the pulp will be evenly distributed on the molds to avoid the air bubbles or defects. But the white plate is of high moisture. So we need to use convex and concave molds for mold closing. We need to put the product into the mold cavity, and through the difference of pressure, the wet plate will be transferred into the drying system. Look at this machine. It's wet pressing machine. This machine has two functions, drying and shaping. Under the high temperature, the moisture will be removed. At the same time, the hardness of the product will be enhanced. In this step, we should pay special attention to the control of temperature and moisture to avoid the product deformation or cracking. Nextly, the product will be transferred into the cutting system. The cutting machine is to remove the night marks or the rough edge of the product. In this step, we will make the product more beautiful and more smooth. And we will inspect the quality of the product. Okay, let's take a look. This is the final product. This is our tableware produced, and we can produce different styles of tableware according to customers' needs. So we will inspect the quality of the tableware to confirm that it's up to standard. At the same time, we will check the packaging of the final product to confirm that it is convenient for storage and transportation. As we see, our production line includes pulping system, molding system, drying system, and post-treatment system. And our machine have some special points that I want to show you. Fourthly, automation. The production process is completed automatic. Every single motion stops will not affect the running of other systems. So when we replace molds or when we do maintenance, one single machine stops will not affect the whole line. And the automation will help save about 50% of labor cost. Secondly, intelligence. Our machine is intelligent. It can do self-check, and it will report the problem of other components to the system. And this will help to shorten the maintenance preparation time of more than 50%. Secondly, light system. Our machine adopts color-changing LED light system. This system will show the different stages of the working. For example, red light for downtime state, white light for standby state. And this will help the worker to find the problem quickly and will help to shorten the preparation maintenance time by around 50%. Finally, our product is biodegradable, is zero pollution. It is in compliance with the international and national environmental production line.
Okay, welcome back. Thanks for Araba. Very good. We finalized the technical part, which is not my favorite, because I'm much more good at about business. So now we are talking about some price, some other informations about this machinery. From the screen, as you can see, there's a price for price and the forming line without pop mixers. The price is going to be 82,000 US dollars. Of course, it is a standard model. If you got some customized need, the price is going to be different. Okay. Again, this price is for line from pop mixer, and the total price is going to be 110 thousand US dollars. Same. It is for the standard model. Price differs from models and other parts, especially for the customized needs. Okay, here we are having the analysis for ROI, and I got this ROI from my team, roughly for our industry for just dinner plates. Using this model, we are having roughly 150,000 pieces of plate one day. If we say the price is 0.2, that is meaning for 1 day's income, we are having 30,000 US dollars. And of course, roughly the team calculate about the cost for running this machinery, which is going to be 12,000 US dollars. So that's meaning for 1 day's pure income, the data is going to be 28,000 US dollars. For a month's profits, it's going to be 840,000 US dollars. And for a year, the number is going to be 10 million US dollars. Of course, it is a rough analysis because we don't mention about some other parts, like our investors should also consider about the inputs for the hardwires, like land, workshop, license, tax. Even we have to consider about the material and the product price change, because different market, there is different prices, right? Okay, now we are going to talk about what we are going to do. Because now we have already got the plant, and we are going to transfer the machinery from automatic to intelligent. In the future, we are going to combine the AI system to make the remote operation. That is meaning we are having a machinery here, and our staff, our operators, will be in the office controlling the computer or the screen to finalize the whole production. Lastly, Beston is not limited by buy and sell business. You are so welcome to be our cooperators or agents for distribution. Especially for the new products, we will be more open for the business mode. I think no matter buy and sell, joint venture, or joint operation, that will get us together to do the real sustainable projects. We believe recycling will make our life better. Okay, now we are having our step into the questions and answers. We got our team to collect some questions, and now we are having them in the screen. The first one is: does the machinery make noise during operation? How to solve it? Okay. The main noise source of the equipment is the vacuum pump, which can be just covered by very good soundproofed materials to keep the noise inside. So that is the solution from us. Okay. The second one. Okay. Where is the company? And can we visit running machinery? Yeah. We are located in Zhengzhou, Henan Province, middle of China. You are welcome to visit our company and to see the running plant. And I think my colleague will contact you right now. Okay, another one. Is the machinery already installed after production? Does it need to be assembled when it arrives to me? Okay, before we do the shipping, most of the installation have been complete. You need to harden the ground and do the some other basic works. Yeah. Okay. The first one, how to become your cooperator. Uh, yeah, I'd like to say there's there's two modes. The first one, we can just sign a contract, contract, and according to the deposit payment, we can just provide the machinery, and we can serve you with the installation and commissioning uh, with free of charge until we get the plant running according to the contract, according to our need. Then we can just continue the payment. Another way is we just sign joint venture contract to do this project, to do the operation together. That is meaning the real partnership. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. That is everything tonight we want to show you, and for sure, I think we will have a chance to meeting together very soon. Thank you again. Bye bye.